Do I have to change my name? Will it get me far? Should I lose some weight? Am I gonna be a star?
Tried to be a boy, I tried to be a girl, I tried to be a mess, I tried to be the best. I guess I did it wrong, that's why I wrote this song. This type of modern life, is it for me? This type of modern life, is it for free? So I went into a bar, looking for sympathy, a little company. I tried to find a friend. It's more easily said, it's always been the same. This type of modern life is not for me. This type of modern life is not for free. Oh, American life,
American life.
I live the American dream.
American
You
dream.
are the best thing I've seen. You are not just a dream.
American life.